What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. And today I want to show you how to make $100 with easy and simple 5-minute video edits. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this really true? Can you really make that kind of money? Yes, you can. You can make far more than that, but starting out at like $100. Now, I know this for a fact because somebody hired me to do this exact same thing. Now, I actually got some of these little drones. You kind of see it right here. They're pretty cool, but I ended up getting some of these, and I was to test them out. Okay, I was to test them out, show them on a video how they work, and so that's exactly what I did. And you can do this exact same thing. I charged $100, and it actually was only about a 3.5 minute video, but it's about a 5-minute video edit that you can do this for. Now let me show you. All right, so if you come to Fiverr.com, okay, I recommend Fiverr because there's so much stuff that you can do here, and you can really make a lot of money. But if you're good at video editing, what I recommend is you click on this. It's a live action explainer. That's exactly what I did with this little drone. And I got these for free because the company sent me 10 of these. All right, so me and my kids, we went out into the backyard, and we just took these, and it was pretty simple. I made some money. But all you're doing is you're creating a video. Okay, look at this. Starting at $100, starting at $50, starting at $4,000, at $50, at $2,500, $50, $50, $100, $5, $10, $6,500, $15, $30, $1,875, $40, $7,500. All you're doing, okay, which is pretty simple. And if you're good at editing videos, if you're good at shooting videos, whether you're using your iPhone or you have a DSLR camera or something, it doesn't matter. You just gotta be good at editing the video and putting story behind it. That's it. So let me explain exactly what I did. All right. So I don't do this very often, but I wanted to show that it is possible. I want to figure out, does this really work? Because I started seeing a lot of people talking about the live action explainers, and I wanted to see, does it really work? Now, for me, I actually use this for some of my private label products I sell on Amazon. So yes, it is beneficial for me to hire somebody to do that. And no, I'm not looking for anybody new. Okay, I have somebody already. But all I did is I reached out to a company because I saw some of their videos that they did on YouTube and Facebook, and I reached out to them and said, hey, I'd like to do a little video for you. I do charge, whatever it was. I think it was like $250 or something for a 5-minute video, which I was going to outsource to somebody else anyway. But we ended up negotiating. I think it was like $125 or something like that. I paid $25 for the person to edit the video. I shot it all with my kids, and it was fun. Okay, something simple. Okay, and again, we got 10 of these things. They're not the greatest things in the world, but the video was awesome. Okay, anyway, that's not the point. The whole point of this video is you need to get out there and try to find different things. What I'm showing you right here is simple. Okay. They have short video ads you can do as well. You can easily make $50 to $100 doing this as well. Okay. Let's see. I'll do short video, $5, 5,000, 5, 10, 5, 49.95, 15, 5, 5, 25, 65, 700. The whole point of this is if you're good at editing videos, if you're good at explaining things, this live action explainer will do wonders for you. You can make a lot of money. Okay. This one right here. Okay, it's pro verified, starting at $4,000. I will craft an emotional storytelling focused doc style. That's pretty cool, right? I will film and edit a live action explainer video, pro verified, and $2,500. Okay, people can make money doing this, and it doesn't matter what you want to do, as long as you're good with, like I said, video editing. You can tell a story. You can sell inside that video. That's what people want. Okay, now let me give you a tip. The one tip that I have, when you get a product, what I highly recommend is you show how it works. You show how the batteries go in. You show how you turn the thing on. You show how you replace a battery for a drone. You show how things that you need to be aware of. For example, these spinning blades, they can be sharp. They can cut your finger, so don't stick it in there. Okay. And you can be funny, you can be entertaining. People like to be entertained. So maybe stick your finger close, but don't cut it off. Okay, simple things like that. Be entertaining, be funny, be original. Don't just copy somebody else. Do something yourself. Because I guarantee you, once these things start to sell, they're coming back. Okay? That company is coming back. I'm gonna get an email, probably asking, can you make some more? Can you make another video? Can you make a video on our bigger drone? They have a bigger one than this. This one isn't very exciting anyway, but flies away. I think now I only have like 4 of these because they crashed and they broke and they flew away or whatever. But again, the whole point of this video, I'm kind of getting off anyway. But the whole point of this video is just to show you can make money. Okay, I try to show you guys different things. Okay, I talked about digital marketing. I talked about writing and becoming a freelancer and all that stuff, and that's a great option. But if you're good at video, why not do video? You can get paid more for video editing and post-production. Look at this. Okay, I will add special and visual effects on video for $5. Okay, it's probably pretty simple what he does. I'll do professional audio, video editing, and post. Again, probably very simple. Okay, I will edit your videos professionally. $5. Cool. Okay, I will do professional video editing and design. $10. Awesome. Okay, you're hired. Okay, all you have to do is find the work. That's it. And Fiverr allows you to do that. Go to Fiverr.com. You can see it right here. Fiverr.com and start putting up some gigs. That's all you have to do. People will find you. People will pay you. People will pay for quality. And if you provide quality, you're going to continue to get more and more clients. All right? So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. What would you like to do? What would you like to do to make some money? Okay? Just put it out there. Because I guarantee you, if you have a hobby, you have something you enjoy, I guarantee you I can find a way to make money off of that exact hobby. All right? So let me know in the comment section below. What do you like? What do you enjoy? What are some of your hobbies? And I guarantee you I'll find something. All right? So again, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.